Hi all, welcome back. Today we'll see how to create a line chart in the Power BI tool. Now click on the line chart from the visualizations. Now we can see here the x-axis, y-axis and secondary axis. Drag and drop the categories into the x-axis and sales into the y-axis and profit into the secondary axis. You can see here the two lines has happened. One is for sales and one is for profit. We can compare both the sales and profit with the technology. What happened, sales has happened and profit with respect to the how much sales has happened, and with respect to furnitures and office supplies. And we can do the format as well for this chart. Click on the format option, click on the x-axis, and we can increase the size, font size as well, and click on the y-axis. We can increase the font size in y-axis also. Now if I want to see the legends with the increasing the font size, we can increase the size. And if I want to increase the title as well, click on the title in general. We can just select the comics and increase the size, and we can do the middle alignment. Now, if we can change the color as well for these two lines where the format options, and by click on the lines, click on the sum of sales or profits, click on the colors, and click on the sales, how much it's happened. We can change the color as well, and click on the sum of profits, click on the colors, and we can change the color here as well. See, now in going next class we can see how the creating a ribbon chart will be happened and how to create a ribbon chart. And until then, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.